Hello everyone and welcome back again. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit sort of new to me. I have grown these once before, not very successfully, and that is shallots. Obviously I've grown them from set for a good few years now and had really good success, and I'd like to have a go at trying them from seed, just see how we do, and see if I can get some of the longer ones, because you can't get them as sets, you can only get the smaller ones as sets. So I want some of the longer ones, so I've gone for the long red Florence and Zabroon. I picked these seeds up whilst I was in the Malvern Autumn Show. A couple of quid each. There's 50 seeds in each pack. Oh, £2.50 each. And they are from W. Robinson's and Son. I'll pop a picture of the packets up on the screen so you can have a quick look. It's 50 seeds in each pack. We're going to be sowing them into these cell trays. There's 20 cells in each of these trays. So I'm going to try for 2 to 3 in each cell. And we probably won't be thinning them out further down the line. I'm not too sure. We might try some thinning them out, some without. Or I might try and get them both. So what I'll do is, instead of doing 2 trays, I'll do 1 tray and I'll put 3 or 4 in each instead. The compost that I'm using is a mixture of spent compost and Erin multi-purpose compost. Has been sieved, not through a very fine sieve, but it has been sieved. Just get out some of the larger bits. So we'll start off with the Zabroon. Like I say, I have grown shallots successfully for quite a few years now, and I've just been saving my own bulbs and replanting those each year. But it's the Jamor that I've been growing, and they're only small, so I'd like something a little bit bigger. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Seeds are exactly the same as onion seeds. And I'm just dropping these on the surface, and I'll get 2 trays out of these. So just drop them on the surface and I'll just cover them over lightly. And throw a handful of vermiculite over the top. So I have tried shallots from seed before. It's about 2-3 years ago now. Only a couple of the seeds germinated, and we had really bad weather that spring, and most of them rotted off. I didn't get many shots at all that year, and I haven't really tried them from seed since. So I'd seen these when I was at the Malvern show. I thought, well, we'll give them another go. I do like to try and grow something that I haven't grown before each year. Obviously, the more you do that, the harder it gets to find something that you haven't grown before. So, one that I haven't grown successfully might be the one. These ones are coated, so the actual seeds themselves They're a green colour instead of the black. Don't know why they do that. But you can see the seeds on top of the soil, which is quite handy. Again, aiming for about 3 seeds on each, in each one. Doesn't have to be exact. So, if you've grown shallots before from seed, let me know whether or not I should thin these down to 1 when I plant them out, or should I just plant them out in clumps, in clusters of 3 or 4, or should I split them up into individual seedlings? I have no idea with that, so any advice will be very much appreciated with that. That is long red Florence and the blue Shallots sown. I'll let them sit in that little bit of water there until I can see the colour of this vermiculite changing colour. And is what I will do with these is I'll keep them in the house until I see signs of germination. Once they've germinated, I'll bring them straight back out and they can go in the polytunnel, the little protective thing that we've got behind me here with the rest of the onions in. Right then guys, that is going to be it for me today. Just like to say a massive thank you to everyone for watching. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and drop me a comment below.